Good morning. This is your stats sensei, Mr. Spensei, and we are doing our exit ticket. So, which blood type, A, B, or AB, or O, had the greatest contribution to the chi-squared statistic? Justify your response. Well, this is based on the Hardy-Weinberg program that we just did, the bloodsuckers. And we had a population of 3,550. We had this distribution. They said 3%, 36% had A, 12% had B, 3% had AB, and 49% had blood type O. So we had 36, 12, 3%, and 49%. We added the observed values up when we got 200. Well, I need to calculate the expected. Well, the expected is purely going to be 0.36 times 200. And this is going to be 0.12 times 200, 0.03 times 200, and 0.49 times 200. All right. So when I do that, I put those in there. And by the way, I want to show you the shortcut. So I input that data, but we don't want the percentages. We want them multiplied by 200. So second 2, column 2 times 200. And there we end up getting our expected values. And our expected values are 72, 24, 8, and 98. Or excuse me, this is a 6. 6 and 98. All right. So now we're going to run the test, stat test, chi-squared goodness of fit. Degrees of freedom are categories 1, 2, 3, 4 categories, 4 minus 1. And we end up getting our chi-squared and our p-value, but what we cared about was our contributions. Well, the contribution for the first one is 2.347. So this is 2.347. The contribution for the next one is 2.04. The next contribution is 6666. And the last one is 4.9387. So when I add these up, they'll add up to my chi-squared value. But they wanted to know which had the greatest contribution. Well, the 4.9387 did. So blood type O had the greatest contribution. With 4.9387. All right. The next thing they wanted to know is to justify and show our calculation. Well, we have our justification. We just need to show our calculation. Well, the chi-squared, remember, is O minus E squared over E. Well, in this case, what do we have? We have 76 minus 98 over 98. So let's check that out. 76 minus 98, close the parentheses, square it. And we're going to divide that result by 98. And sure enough, that equals the 4.9387. I'm going to do that one more time for people who may have missed it. So 76 minus 98 squared divided by 98. 76 minus 98 squared, and that's part of our, that just matches up to our formula. All right, I sure hope this helps and hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.